Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and I'm chasing my dream of becoming a profitable day trader. It's only one problem. It's the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. But I'm working hard, I'm journaling, I'm tracking, I'm making improvements every day, and I'm making steady progress. It's getting super exciting. Best part is I'm doing it all live right here on YouTube, building an awesome community. You should be a part of it, man. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Everything's free for the community. Let's get to it, y'all. It's Friday. Yo, it's Friday. Had a good week so far. I'm ready, man. Let's finish it strong. We're not having fun Fridays no more. We having focused Fridays. And we're gonna do what we're supposed to do, man. What's up, Wave Rider? What's going on, man? I'm happy and excited. Let's see here. I realize I'm just like super zoomed in, man. And you know, I'll go back and look at like just the 5-minute time frame, and you can just get a really good picture of direction, you know. And I just way too zoomed in on the one, so I'm trying to slow it down and zoom out a little bit. What up, Santa? Man, PLTR was crazy yesterday, man. I was like, dang, man, why didn't I? It's actually like yesterday was a great setup, but it wasn't gapped up, you know, so it wasn't on my radar. But man, that thing took off. So did, man. What you looking at today, Santa? I caught PLTR the day before. Actually, that's the one where I caught it after the string. Dang, bruh. Yeah, I used to watch a lot of stuff, man. I'm gonna get back there one day, I know, but I actually have 3 things I'm looking at today. I don't know if you guys caught my recap yesterday, but I kind of had a little mini epiphany and just realized the type of pressure it puts on myself and on the stock I'm trading when I'm watching only one thing. It's like it's almost like, all right, stock, like this is it, man. You got to go up, you know. And I'm watching, waiting for my entry, not watching to see if it's even a good setup or not. Same stock every day. That's what's up, man. Dang, that's what's up. I like that. You just get familiar with the levels and the moves and everything. I like that. I might get there one day, Santa. Just keep it cool. Dang, it ain't nothing to draw on PLTR. I switched my zoom on my chart from uh my mouse to my keys. So my mouse now scrolls and I use my key to zoom. So I'm probably gonna be retarded for like the next 2 days until I get used to that. But I think I'm gonna like it better. Maybe. I don't know. I think my zooming will be a little more precise and that part's cool. And my scrolling will be a lot faster when before it was like non-existent. But small things dim. Man, my son put a Red Bull by my door this morning. I actually I'm trying to quit Red Bull. I haven't had one in a week. And but my son ran out to the gas station or something to get himself something to drink or whatever, and he got me a Red Bull, man. Set it by my door and sent me a Discord message. That's really cool, man. So I'm gonna enjoy this. Okay. Okay, all three are going down at the open. Yo, signature from Germany. You in Germany right now? Man, signature, you seem like you living your best life, bro. I'm telling you, Sig. That's cool, man. That's awesome. SMCI with the push. Yo, SMCI is the strongest one so far. Baba just actually everything's getting juice right now. Baba just made a new high. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Baba's running. And SMCI is running. Bro, I feel like I need to just buy. don't be afraid. Yo, I'm just like just buy pins because everything's going up and this has the best buying opportunity. Nah, that's stupid. All right, just be patient. Just relax. See, I don't even see. I'm gonna see these are getting me real excited right now. Relax. Relax. It's okay. 1.5 week and you back visiting your mother. That's cool, man. Yeah, the spy is pushing everything, and Pins is on Amber Heard right now. uh, Pins did an Amber Heard. It's getting strong, man. I don't know. I'm thinking I should just cop that joint. That's not a strategy, though. uh, what we got here? Got a weak open, a little resting candle, then a break of the low. Big buying pressure. Not that much volume, though. Yeah, I don't know. I think you got to wait for a higher low on that one. SMCI ran off on the plug, yo. Both of these things. Bought AMD at 109.45s. Yeah, man, the SPY is definitely moving. Is that what's all-time highs on the SPYs? Uh, looks like 610.78. right, pins getting a little action here. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Man, I hope these things calm down and pull back, man. Don't go crazy. They already went kind of crazy, especially Baba. Baba's going off right now. Haha, see, look, this mug is screaming weakness. I can see it. Weak open, resting candle, plunge through the lows, lower high, big wide range red candle. I'm seeing the weakness. I can see. All right. So SMCI strong. Baba strong. We could be bold and take this. It's not much of a pullback. There are better ways. Also seems pretty wide range too. I don't need to feel rushed. I don't need to feel rushed. I'm gonna wait for the sweet opportunity, man. The good stuff. See, yesterday I would have been all over this right here, like, oh my god, hammer candle, love day. And now I'm just looking at it like, bro, this thing looks weak AF. All right, SMCI, daggone, man, calm down. I ain't about to be scared with my dollar hotkey.
Order filled.
Okay. I don't know what be happening sometimes when my key don't want to fill. You know, actually, I've been thinking about these super wide range entries, and I guess at the open, sometimes you got to be a little more aggressive, but order filled. It feels good. Yeah. That was a nice little stall out my hotkey did for me. That mug saved me like, well, I guess like a nickel. Almost 10 cents. That thing saved me about 10 cents. Very nice. Oh, very nice strength on the 5, no? It's a different ball game, man. It's a different ball game. Man, thank you, Sig. No chance in OKLO. I got something in my heart for OKLO. I think I had a good trade on it once upon a time. Actually, it's a nice daily, man. It's actually looking really good now, especially over yesterday's high. Um, Man, it's almost like squeezing right now. Yeah, that thing is it's definitely strong, you know? It's definitely strong. But so is SMCI. Dang, bro, just like it's like a switch that flips. Like yesterday, this is super enticing, right? This is like forming the first higher low. But Look, it's downtrending though. Lower high. Like I would have been trying to buy this break yesterday, and just like this little flip of the switch, and it just stands out to me now. Is that right? What does OKLO do? I don't even know what the heck OKLO is. Class A common stock. No information there. That's something I don't like though that's happening. I think because I don't my chart is too squished or something. There we go. Yeah, that was looking nasty. I started to add right there. It already feels like it's kind of extendo though. Stupid wide range entry, unfortunately. What's ATR on this puppy? 244, 34, 33. So we're looking at 37 maybe. This might be the bottom on pins over here. Got a green 5 minute. I'd say if we get a higher high over this high and then a higher low, could be considerable. Mm, 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 mm. Man, we're in a good spot on the daily chart, man. Imagine a ride up here to this high up to 38, 38.50. That would be kind of cool. Baba over here look like she might be ready. Got that green 5. Wait for that good higher low, man. She might be ready. Man, everything happens for a reason, man. I'm just tripping how this would have been. This was actually very similar to how yesterday traded, and I mean a good reversal could come from this, but it's just hella weak, man. It's hella weak, and it's a dumpster dive, honestly. At this point, like trying to catch the risk to reward is definitely high, but the risk of getting stopped out is high too. Versus buying dips on this, it's just like wow. But this whole time on low of day, it helped me be really patient. Dang, there's the higher low right there. I told you, bro, thing was ready. I'm telling you, I think everything's starting to come together, man. Everything's starting to come together, man. This time at low of day was like it helped me be able to wait. I can wait now, you know? But yeah, this is a no-brainer entry on Baba right here. No-brainer entry. Nice dip. 5 minute candle turns green. Higher low on the one. No-brainer. But we cool because we are officially cooking over here on SMCI. We ain't got that many shares, but it's all good. Get what you get and don't pitch a fit, right? Um, I mean, shoot, if this thing go to 38, that's $3 times two, 6R. Can't be mad about that. Can't be mad about that. Dang, Baba, this mug though, this was clean as day, bro. I literally called it for myself. Yeah, signature. Passing that 2R mark. Yo, y'all like this R thing down here? I love this. I love it, man. It makes it seem less silly. Cause like seeing a dollar right here is like, man, what the heck? But the R, it just gives it so much more proof of concept. You know what I mean? What up, Artem? CDT. Good. Dang, look at SMCI going parabolic. Parabolic. We're definitely on the right stock, right? We picked the right one, right? Out of pins and Baba. Bruh, this was the one right here, though. I could see, bro. I could tell. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, we picked the right one for sure. Picked the right one. Super clutch ad. And here we go. 2.5R. Just like ain't got no shares to sell though. Stop up to 35, 58, 57. So stops in the money.
I'm leaving here with something. You know what I mean? I'm from around the way. I'm leaving with something.
Bruh. The risk to reward. Look at this pins, bro. Tell me I wouldn't have got caught up on this yesterday. Right here, I would have got triggered in by this little high. And I'd have got stopped out. And now it's making another higher low right here. Right? And I'll be watching this candle, waiting for a break of that to try to catch the reversal there. Right? I could just see it now, man. Just like it's a trip when a switch just flips and something just changes, man. Something just changes. 3R on the deck. AMD rolling for you. I feel like I should have sold one up there. I was about to take it. If it gave me one more bounce, I was gonna take it through 37. It don't look like it wants to stop though, honestly. Yeah, SPY looks very strong. Man, this thing has gone like straight up. I feel like, yeah, I was a little distracted, man. I would have liked to have sold more, one share up here. Because 37 was actually my original target. So I'd at least like to take off half. I said I was going to take half off at 4R for sure. I was expecting to get some better. I would not have punked out on adding on these. It just already felt like it was up too high. So I didn't feel great about adding. Pins finally put in the bottom over here, maybe. Yeah, bro, this was the one right here. Dang, man, that's so cool. Now this is looking like a very nice narrow range opportunity. Look at the 5 on it too. And oh yeah, this actually looks really gravy. This right here, super high risk to reward entry on pins. We're gonna put a pin in that. If this thing breaks 40.05, just want to see how the eye is doing. Look at this, super tight, man. If it breaks the low first, then it's canceled, of course, which it just did. Wait, no, that's a dope, same low. If it breaks 40.05, yo, watch it explode. The volume looks good. Everything about this looks good. Actually, the volume's not that great. Wait, hold on. This candle, nah, it's still doing over 100K a candle. Yeah, over there it is right there. There it is. Your risk is 40.05 to 39.90. 15-cent risk. Anyway, let's get back over here. Yeah, man. I was tripping on that, bro, when I realized that what I was doing. Looking for weakness and hoping for strength. That's exactly what I was doing, bro. I'm really sad I didn't get a share off up here. It's such a it's so difficult for me not having enough shares to trade like I want to trade. That's the only thing about trying to be trying to prove this proof of concept with low risk. It's just like, uh. But at the same time, it must be done this way. I just have to adapt. I have to adapt. Man, look at PLTR up 2%. Again, another one. It's quite a push down there. Big red candle. Oh, snaps. Dang, man. I said I was leaving here with something, but I kind of wouldn't mind giving it room to 35. But I mean, if it comes all the way back down here, I might as well reassess anyway. Yeah, and this is why these patterns are not as good on downtrends. It might still work, but it just makes so much more sense to take these in uptrending situations than downtrending situations. I really just want like a nice place where I can add with confidence. uh, I was definitely being scary up here. I don't know. It didn't really look like that much of a higher low. Probably because I had my chart smashed. I like it much better stretched. Man, Artem, I'm tripping on that, bro. Looking for weakness and hoping for strength, bro. That's a wild dynamic, man. Come on, don't break 60. Don't break 36. Yeah, by law, I can't take a loss on this. By law. Literally. Man, the 15 looking janky. Yeah, I think I found my happy place. I just like this Baba call was awesome. This entry right here, yo. When I get my two shooters back, it's gonna be a problem. Need my two shooter back. It just made it super simple for me, Artem. Just like I don't really need the weakness part. I just need the pullback after the strength. You know, I don't need low of day. It just made sense for what I was doing at the time. Look at the SPY. It's about to destroy my position. Ain't that a biscuit? Bruh, why didn't I get a share out up there, man? It's okay though. This is the cool thing is there's really no need to get your panties in a bunch right now because the training wheels are here. This is really just practice. Practice with emotions mixed in. But man, I don't see this making a low past this. But I also cannot take a loss on this position. So it is what it is. I just gotta stick it through. That's interesting. Yeah, definitely the idea of the weakness is that you can get the first, you can jump in on the first sign of strength and take the entire, most of the move up. So yeah, that is what's super nice about trading off of low of day. But the problem is it's inherently weak at that point as well. So it's kind of I think accuracy, I think picking low of day dips would probably have a lower accuracy than picking dips on strength, you know? And yeah, like you probably do have to take profit a little sooner, but now I'm kind of that's what time I'm on right now. I want to take profit. I just need more shares. It's really hard for me to do what I need to do when I only got 2 shares and I'm holding, but I really did want to sell a share here. I should have just my infatuation with selling shares at the tops of candles is sometimes not that great because I could have still sold at the bottom of the candle and it would still been a great sale. But yeah, I just need more shares, man. Bad economy data. That's what just happened. Oh man, I thought me and SMCI was about to get to the bag. I needed to take profit. Man, Trey is Trey in here, man. I really wish I knew a quick way to draw the fib lines, man. That's what I wish. I hope this is the bottom. I don't think so though. Probably got one more dip after this. Right in, it's gonna dip right into my stop, and then it's gonna go back up. Like I can already tell it's near the bottom of the retracement. I want to put the fib line on just to check that out. Oh, here it is. Fibonacci line extension. What up, Trey? Okay, so you take one there, right? And then you put that to the top. Ain't that supposed to be it? No? I thought that's supposed to get the lines popping. So what's the point of this line? It does nothing. Oh yeah, your demon's winning. Does that mean you're losing? Stupid demons. I don't know what I just did with this line, but it's not very helpful. That's what I'm saying. Like I don't know. Yeah, I gotta zoom out more. Like that was a waste. Please don't go down into my stop. Don't do it. Please. Oh, okay. I messed it up. All right. Now I got to take this crap off. Oh, darn it. Okay, here we go. Where do I put this? I don't understand. Okay. Is that it? Okay, so it's at 50% right now. Is that what I'm supposed to make of this? Oh, it looks kind of like it would be the same thing. Okay, that's it pretty much, right? Got the 50% line right here, 61.8, 38.2, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Baba looking interesting again. You click the high first? Maybe that's where I messed up. That would be silly though, huh? Oh man, this would be so nice if this the bottom. I should add right there, but we're gonna be smart. Wait for the higher high. Now this look like a little retracement. It's about to get me. It's about to get me. $35, 65 is your 50%. 35, 34 is your 61.8, which is my break even. 31, 35. It's gonna break. It's gotta break. It's gotta come down a little bit more. Why?
Order filled.
Why? All right, so now we're kind of like in a better position here. Got some shares on board now. Man, don't you do it. How dare you? Yo, what up, Nova Trading? Yeah, I mean, I got in a long time. I got in when it was pumping, and I only had 2 shares, so I didn't take any off, man. And yeah, so here I am, hoping to survive the dump, but it's not looking good. It's definitely not looking good.
Order filled.
That sucks, man. Yeah, it definitely would have, Alex. It definitely would have. I was up 3R. I just it's harder for me to take profit when I don't have many shares, man. It's like it's a dilemma. And when this candle printed, I realized my mistake, and I was kind of holding my breath for it to bounce back up one more time, and I was ready to take off a share. But yeah, I just fumbled the ball, man. Just fumbled it, yo. It's just really hard for me to take profit when I have 2 shares. And I gotta get rid of this being comfortable adding on the backside and buying on the backside and being scary about doing it on the front side. It's a pretty solid double bottom in the middle of the range there. I thought, no, it ain't. 505, 150. No, that's a lower low. Yeah, yeah. Yo, what up, Q? I just sat here and watched the winner fade and lost on it. I haven't done that in a while. Yeah, I'm just trying to trade small right now, and it's just it's tough, man. It's definitely tough because I'm finding this executioner inside of me that just loves selling shares on the highs, but I also like holding shares for higher highs. So when I only got 2 shares on the position, it's just like, bruh. Honestly, Baba's holding up better. I saw these wide range candles, man. I guess it's because of the thing. I know, bro, and I didn't even take advantage. All right, signature. Well, thanks for stopping by on your vacation, man. I'm honored that you would spend a little time here, man. That's super cool, bro. I hope you have a great time with your family, man. You too, bro. You too. Yeah, bro. So, I mean, the concept is there. I know, man. I know. What a womp womp, man. It was an amazing trade, bro, and I haven't done this in a long time though. I haven't done this in a long time. That's all right though. I'm gonna catch this. I'm gonna catch it. If she got another run in her. Yeah, but if I had 2,000 shares, it would have been very different. You know, it would have been very different. I would have been ripping shares all the way up if I had 2,000, and I couldn't do that with two. I mean, I want to practice selling shares, but I only got two. I would have been out of the position, you know. But definitely with this big push, like almost going straight up, you gotta tighten up the stop because you know it's over, like it's about to crash. So yeah, just kind of dropped the ball on that one. We'll see how this 5 minute closes up. Hmm. You don't think I would have sold some shares if I had 2,000 shares? This 159. Nah, just long. Nova. All right, Santa. How'd that AMD position do? That's what's up. I really wanted to. We cool. We cool. This is good. Calm down and pull back. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Yo, this Baba trade, 30 cent risk. Over 90. Super tight risk to reward. This thing could move up $2 on 30 cent.
Order filled.
Still only got 2 shares. Yeah, I guess it is. Unless it moves up higher. Yeah, I know. It's under the last 5 minute low, which I mean, I'm expecting a pretty swift move up through this area.
Order filled.
Oh my God, man. I know exactly what I'm waiting for now. Hopefully we can just take some profit this time. Okay, now it's kind of zoom things kind of bothering me. I gotta remember what to press. Okay. I need to turn that off. That's really disturbing. Look at the 15, yo. We get over 106.32. I mean, I know that was just made, but that's the 15 trigger, man. 106.32. It's gonna be even harder to sell positions now. Cause this thing got higher day written all over it. We're gonna watch the volume though, and we're gonna sell when it's time to sell. There's 3R almost. You get confused with me? Tell me about it, Q. I do feel that way though. I feel like you guys think I'm looking for one thing, and then I'm like, nah, I'm actually doing this. But you say you shouldn't do this and that, and then you do that very thing, and then it works, and you feel happy. Be specific, so I can really grab a hold of the concept. Like this backside. Well, you said it was backside after I already made the decision to enter the trade. So I saw things that I liked about it. And then you said it was backside. And then I'm like, well, yeah, I guess you could say it's the backside of the move. But what I liked about it was these 5 minute hammer candles coming back to this same level right here. The hammer starting to form on the 5, potentially a higher low and a bounce. You know what I mean? So I saw a lot of good things about it. You just said it was backside, and I'm like, yeah, and backside is a bad thing. You know, I don't want to be trading on the backside, but oh snap, we got 3 aura. Watching the volume. I got you, Paul. Second too late.
Order filled.
There we go. All right. Yeah, it's beautiful on the 15. It's beautiful on the 5. You know, the 5 is a little more iffy, but the 15 is like a beautiful setup. Thanks, Paul. Appreciate the encouragement and support and all that good stuff, man. Now we chilling. Now we chilling. See, Trey, if I could read the tape, I might be able to get a fill in at the bottom of that dip. Cannon's RV repair. What's up, bro? Um, I don't short. I don't short, and I'm already in a position, and I'm trying to practice being focused on what I'm trading and not like bouncing around. I appreciate it, Nova, and I'm telling you, bro, I really think that problem will be solved when I increase my risk and I have more shares on hand because I like taking profit on the highs. And the only reason I'm not doing it now is cuz I'm trying to manage my shares so that I have some to sell at least with, the expected move. You know what I mean? Cuz I'm telling you, bro, I'm about that rapid fire. I'm about that rapid fire. Like I guess my good days are a little too far and in between for y'all to remember. But like the day that I felt like the most alive trading. Let's see if I can find this thumbnail, man, where I was like, this is what I want to do. This is the last time I traded Baba. Come on, mouse, what are you doing? This is the last time I traded Baba right here. I'm take profit gang. I'm telling you, I just don't have shares. Like if I had the shares, bro, nothing I want to hear more than order filled, order filled, order filled. I'm telling you, bro. Let me get 100 shares, bro. Watch me work. Baba been good, bro. These big caps been kind of good. I like what that five's starting to look like. Um, yeah, I hear what you're saying, though, Trey. It's definitely a lot of some confluences to be observed to increase the probability of these dips. But I've got a really good feel for how I want to be playing it, man. I'm basically waiting for a trigger on the five and looking for a narrow range entry. What was I doing, bro? I literally was set to add shares right here. I'm over here philosophizing. I was supposed to add back right here, man. Dang it. I'll be tripping sometimes, man. Just increase risk Monday. I don't, bro. I haven't earned it though. I really can't say that I've earned it. That would just be like, because I want to. I know, bro, but I literally just crashed out like 2 days ago, Trey. Like, there's nothing I want more to increase my risk right now, but I've just done it so many times and got slapped in the face and had to make that sad walk back down to lower P&L again, you know, that it's just nah, it's no way I'm taking that off, Paul. It's no way. Look at this 5 minute hammer right here, bro. Look at the 15, bro. That little 5 minute double top ain't got nothing on this 15 chart right here. As soon as we blast through 107, yo. You got me thinking now, Paul. I really want to wait for higher day though. I really don't care for having executions at the same spot. Like I already got an execution at this level, so I want another execution at the next level. I'm trying, Nova. I'm trying really hard. But it ain't over yet, bro. I'm chilling, man. 106.96. Oh yeah, we didn't already made a higher high. Let me see, man. Yeah, I still got the swing account. I don't have any positions though. I made 5% on BBD, and then I realized it was a bank stock, and I don't want to trade bank stock, so I sold it for my 5%. But um I haven't figured out my next move. I need something cheap because it's a very small account. It only got like 87 bucks in it. So I need a low price something that might do something, do something wild. It don't have to be a penny stock, but you know, $5 range or something. It ain't over yet, Paul. It ain't over yet. No, I definitely trailed my stop, Nova. Um, that sucks, Q. Yeah, I definitely like to trail my stop once I get when I see established lows like this one. I definitely like to raise my stop.
Order filled.
I don't know what's going on with these keys, boy. Green streaks are tough, man. Green streaks are tough. Look at pins looking like it's ready. This conversation is going to be way more clear in about 5 minutes, Paul. Nah, I guess not really, Q. As long as I'm within my daily R limits, I'm okay. Yeah, all of those rules like that were meant to just help me control myself, man, because I was just like out of control, like just trading from the hip. Like, I mean, I'll pull up a ticker and evaluate that thing in about 15 seconds and jump in a position, you know? So there was just a lot of things that I was doing that I needed to stop. And it was so bad. Like my habits were so bad. It was just super difficult, man. So I had to, put alarms and rules here and there and, you know, kind of complicate things. But I think it's gotten me to a nice place where I'm a lot more relaxed and I'm definitely trading a lot less. Like at this time of the day, like 2 months ago, bro, I would have had like 6 or 7 things traded. So I think I'm telling you, bro, it was wild. It was wild. uh, I really enjoyed the intensity of it all, but it's it's reckless, you know. It's not really at least the skill level that I was at, um I wasn't skilled enough to be able to be doing all of that for sure. Like it was way too much. Come on, Baba, I know you want to go. Come on, Baba. I got Paul on my head. Come on, man. You gonna make me look stupid. Uh, go that way.
Order filled.
Gotta take out 72 first, then 107. Come on, print that 73. Come on, baby. Print that 73. Come on, man. Bruh.
Order filled.
All right, Q, that's what's up. Dang, the SPY just flushed. Yeah. Clearly, this ain't it. Golly. Well, good thing the stop was tight. Oh my God. What's happening? Anybody tapped in? Labor market flashes more resilience. U.S. economy added fewer jobs than forecast last month, but unemployment rate unexpectedly fell and wages jumped. Consumer sentiment data. 14 minutes ago, U.S. stock turned lower Friday as investors digested a jump in consumer expectations for inflation and a cooler than expected jobs report. That was a while ago. This guy got Benzinga Pro. I'm over here on Yahoo. Think a little scalpy poo. I would say SMCI held up the best out of everybody. Is that right? It's time to hop on the SQs. I've been around, Q. I've been around, man. Been around the world and yeah. Why they hate us? Is it our ladies?
Order filled.
Looking at the 15, I don't know about this one. This might be a little too micro. Yeah, the 15 was not looking great here. You think so? Probably. Baseball player. Probably. I think he holds a couple records for home runs, don't he? Yeah. Yeah, he's definitely juicing. Everybody was juicing back then. Remember Mark McGuire? Oh snap! That's kind of cheap, ain't it, cute? Nah, that's pretty good. But if you get somebody to pay the second year, bro, that's pretty solid. You're definitely providing some value. Yeah, this was a little YOLO right here. I can't lie. Everything had dipped so much. Thought this had a decent looking opportunity for a bounce, but clearly it has not bounced. What advice you guys for a 24-year-old in anything, man? I tell you what, man. I wish I was doing this at 24, man. I think that's super cool. Man, never dishonor yourself. Your reputation uh is precious, and it's hard to rebuild when you ruin it, you know. So just on GP, just, you know, don't dishonor yourself, and keep your word to yourself and to others, man. Give your word out stingily. Like, be very stingy with giving your word, committing to things, but when you give it, let it be solid, you know. Um yeah, and then focus on trading and fitness. Straight up. I like Baba a lot right here. Yeah, I definitely wasn't chasing something this lucrative at 24. Yeah. Um, Pay yourself first, man. Oh my God, if I would have started that at 24, read Rich Dad Poor Dad, read The Richest Man in Babylon, and The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Read those three. Um, yeah. Also, man, be very careful where you plant your seed. Oh yeah, that was a great book. That book changed my life, man. Yeah. Um, Man, when I learned about taxes. Oh, damn, what I say? uh, Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Richest Man in Babylon, and Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This is a nice candle, man, but if it breaks down, it's a terrible candle.
Order filled.
That might be too much. Get rich or die trying, right? Junk. Yeah. Yeah, I might be just tripping on intraday palpitations. I mean, my stop is definitely gonna call it if it goes below 47. So it's all good. Definitely got more R on this thing than I would.
Order filled.
Yeah, yeah. Shut up, Q. All right, that's a wrap for sure. -1 R. Oh man, don't even play with me like that, bro. Don't even play with me like that. That's cold right there, man. That's cold. That's cold. Bruh. Oh, wait, hold up. I'm not even scrolled to the. Wow, that would have been dastardly. Dastardly. Man, pins did me so dirty. uh, Paul, you got strong like uncle vibes, man. I enjoy having you around, man. Yeah, I'm thinking of this. I don't know. I guess I'm looking for a recovery. Um, but why though? Everything's clearly down except PLTR, yo. Damn, that's what I wanted to see over here too. All right, this is my last trade. Bro, why is my thing not working? I didn't did something to mess up my hotkey because this mug is acting weird. I know, but it was too good, bro. It's like, okay, everything's moving down. Where's the strength at? And I look down and see PLTR up 3% and it's near high of day and pulling back. after breaking high a day. Well, Paul is like 3 for 3 today. Paul is on fire today, and I am not. Might hold that 115 though. Nope. I'm telling you, Unc is trying to help me out, man. Yeah, I know. Just out here trying to make nothing out of something.
Order filled.
All right. Whatever. All right. Well, oh, did you? Nah, nah, nah. I'm cool, man. I'm cool. I'm really. I know the proof is in the pudding, but yeah, for sure. Am I still missing one? Oh, man. Thanks, Paul. Nah, mine is small red day. Small red day. We almost had it though. I had my first trade on SMCI was a great trade. I didn't take profit on it, man. It literally went to 37, which is like my target, and I did nothing. Yesterday, I sold my entire position at the top, which is hey, what up, Jay? um, yeah, so I think this kind of messed me up psychologically as well. But yeah, great trade on SMCI. I just didn't take profit on it because I only had 2 shares, and it's just really hard for me to take profit when I only have 2 shares because I'm always like I'm a holder. No, and no doubt, man. It's actually going. It's actually a great day. It's actually a great day. Um, but P&L is a lagging indicator. But today was a great day. Um, I am a holder. Like I got diamond hands, and it was a problem. Like, bruh, I can hold for a long time. Like I'm shooting for super high targets. I'm very optimistic, and I'll hold that joint, you know? And I was having a lot of trades just like this. Like I literally went back in my journal and saw that like half of my total loss last year was from trades that went 2R or more in the money, and I stopped out at a loss because I didn't take profits. So that's like my problem, or one of my problems. And I finally have been able to kind of find a middle ground by selling shares while I'm holding. Shout out Q. Q the one got me selling shares. So when I have shares to sell, everything's great because I have some shares that I can hold on to satisfy the part of me that wants to hold. And then I also have shares that I can sell to make sure I'm taking profits along the way. But when I only have 2 shares, it's like, oh my God, like I want to take profits, but I need to hold. And it's like, if I sell 1 share, then I only have 1 share. And what is that? So I just kind of got caught in like a mental dilemma right here on this trade. And right after this candle, I was like, dang, I should sell a share. But then it was too late and I didn't want to sell. I also have a problem with not selling at the top of the candle, which is kind of cool because I'm good at selling at the top of candles. But sometimes you need to sell not at the top of the candle, and I have a hard time doing that. Yeah, so I took a good trade on SMCI. I just fumbled it. And then what was my next trade? Baba. Yeah, I had a nice trade on Baba. Quick little ad here. Sold half here. Should have sold the other half when Uncle Paul told me it was going to double top, but I didn't. Ended up adding and stopping out. I think I lost like maybe half an R. Even though my stop was at break even, I just kind of slipped down a few cents, but it's all good. So first trade was good on SMCI, and second trade was good on Baba. And what I do? PLTR. Yeah, pretty much after that, it was all kind of downhill. This was like just I was tripping with this one. I was definitely tripping with that one. And then pins, yeah, pins was like another YOLO. So that kind of sucks that I fell into that. But my first 2 trades today were pretty good. Pretty good. My execution on them, so. I mean, my execution on SMCI was terrible. But yeah, so not a bad day. Not a bad day. Some good takeaways. Um I just have a really hard time when I don't have enough shares, but I just need to be ready for that next time. And I think when I have 2 shares, I need to be really focused on the volume. And let me see if that would have worked out had I been that way on SMCI. Yeah, I mean, I could have sold a share here and then sold another share, my last share, into these highs, and that would have been it. And that would have been okay. That would have been an okay trade. And then I could have looked to add back at some point. Uh, which I don't. Yeah, this ad was terrible. Nah, I'm done, Q. I'm done. I don't need to see 3R on a day like today. Um, I don't think there's many days that I need to see 3R and above. You know. Um, the day clearly is dying. And, it's Friday. The market's selling off. Everything's selling off. Come on, Trey. I hope not, man. I hope not. I don't want to take any more trades. I was up almost an R on the week. Now I'm down 1 R. So first week of February, I'm down 1 R. So you can watch and chill. Nah. I'm definitely trying to get away from that. My 10:30 after 10:30, really, I don't need to be taking more trades. Generally, like if I'm actively trading something, then cool. But like going to look for another stock, like I did on PLTR just now at this time of the day, um, I don't want to be doing that. I don't want to trade this late on some price action that I haven't been watching. It's like if you're dialed into the chart, actively trading it, and it's 10:30. I'm not gonna like, oh man, stop. But um, I really, my prime time is the first hour. So the further we get away from that, my accuracy takes a nosedive. So yeah, I think we're cool, man. I think we're cool. I'm really starting to accept that these small days are also kind of wins. If you can keep the red days small, like these, I don't like seeing these $5 red days. Like 3 or less, man. 3 or less. And then my green days will definitely be bigger. More than likely. This was a small this day doesn't count. This was like a wild day. As you can see, 20 trades. Like don't worry about this day. Uh, but yeah, so plus 88 after to before today, and so what is that? 213, right? Yeah. Mm. But I mean, a great start though. Like my usual starts. Uh, oh, this was a good month. Good first week. I think this was a fluke though, so this doesn't count. Probably would have been a red week. Um, Dang, boy, July came out swinging. And then the next 3 weeks just total destruction. That's crazy. That's crazy. See, that's when you come in and you feel like you got it, and then you come back and next week with a big head, thinking you Neo from Matrix, and you get slapped up. Yeah. Especially if the first week is good. Golly, dang, this was June was really nice. Caught some nice waves in June. Oh my God, I remember this right here. During this streak like this, I don't think I won a single. I probably won a trade or two, but I mean, this was like, bruh, it's time to quit. Like, it was time to quit here, bro. I was like, oh my God. It really is, Jay. It really is. Well, I've definitely been losing a lot less every month. Um, Finally got my act together in November. Lost 55, December 37. Yeah, May was rough, man. Um, January, I got a little carried away. I had a lot of like outlier lost days. Like Friday lost 29, 15, 11, 16, 15, 15, 15, 16. Yeah, May was I remember feeling really discouraged and just like when you're doing this, it's like, bruh, you can't even catch one winning trade. Like that was tough. And then it's like the market to give you just enough to keep you here. Like, oh man, it's okay, it's okay. Look, you made a little money. You made $100. Come on, man, come back. Maybe there is some hope. um, nah, but I'm very hopeful for February to be a green month. I'm gonna keep my lost days 3R or less. I got my platform is gonna kick me out at 5R no matter what. I think. Let me make sure. He said he changed it. Yeah, max loss $5. All right, and see, I got a baby account, y'all. I got a baby account, man. I am a little guy. But yeah, I feel very I don't want to say I feel very confident because where would the confidence come from? Confidence comes from like a history of execution, right? But I just feel everything's going in the right direction, and I like a lot of things are coming together, and it's just making more sense. It's making more sense, and it's still really hard to put a date on it to say this is going to be my first. This is going to be my profitable month, a profitable month, because every time you get better at something, it's like you unlock a door to new struggles. Like I'm optimistic. Yeah. Yeah, I'm hopeful and I'm excited. I feel good. I feel like my patience has I don't, man. I don't like anything. I don't like anything that um takes away from the price action. Like that gives me expectations. Like VWAP. When I have VWAP up, there will be sometimes the price would be at VWAP and the pattern would be horrific, like non-existent, like disgusting, like a short entry. But because it was at VWAP, I'm like, it might bounce right here and I'll take the trade. Like VWAP was like, it was making me see things that wasn't there. And now I just focus on the price action, man. Trying to keep a higher time frame bias. And my gravy right now is waiting for a trigger on the 5 and looking for a narrow range entry on the 1. That's been like my bread and butter. Yeah, I feel that. I'm definitely a yeah, I don't like them, man. I don't like, I almost don't even like having pre-market highs and lows and these levels and stuff on, but they're very practical. I took them off for a while and put them back because they are important levels. But yeah, I just really want to. I did draw a trend line yesterday though. Yeah, no doubt, no doubt. But yeah, I just enjoy this way, man. I enjoy this. This is my way. My way of the trader. Hey guys, hit that like button for me if you haven't. I'd appreciate it if you guys enjoy hanging out. It brings more people to the channel and trying to grow an awesome community where traders come and support each other and share ideas, help each other grow. All good vibes, man. Nobody's trying to ask you for money. I do have some affiliate links if you want to, that supports the channel. But, that's just for stuff that I use and I like my journal. I've used a few different journals and I really like this one. And I got a link in the description if you want to check it out. No big deal though. My broker link is in the description. It's no PDT, broker out of the Bahamas. You can fund it with crypto. Great leverage, great commissions, all of that stuff. Links in the description. But yeah, man, we're here to just build community. I want to get money from the market and from my affiliates, but not you guys. I want us to get to the bag together. So yeah, man, hit that like button if y'all want to be down with the struggle squad. For DOS I pay 100 a month and then 15 for data, so 115 a month to trade with this platform. But yeah, man, I'm just seeing it, man. I'm seeing it. I wish I didn't trade pins and Baba today. I mean pins and PLTR. Because my SMCI and Baba trades were really good. And that would have been a great way to leave the trading session. I wish I didn't add right here. This was the ad that I missed. And then they would have been a great place to take like a lot of profit out, like 80% of the position at this double top. But it's really fun developing this side of my game because most of feel like lately, man, all I do is just I enter and get stopped out, and I rarely do I have time to train my take profit mind and my adding mind. I thought we talked about it that Ocean Securities was like the US branch of STG, I guess. I don't know. I only know what you told me, bro. I know you guys got cheaper commissions, but I got much better leverage, so I'm gonna chill where I'm at. I'm gonna chill where I'm at till I get the big account. Got a nice little narrow 15 right there, a little hammer joint. The 5 isn't bad either, man. Yeah, I'm working on it, Paul. It's like I was saying, bro, it's just my nature is to hold it. And my way of working around that is having enough shares to sell and hold. And when I don't have that, it's hard. It's hard for me. And I really don't think that's going to be a problem when I increase my risk and I'm able to get, just 10 shares, I think is enough for me to feel good about taking profits. But the retail side, that's me. But I got through my broker through a guy who I used to post my charts on Facebook in a trading group. And yeah, I'll ask him. And this was when I was like hot fire, like when I was like I made it. And I've had some really nice sessions in my my trading career. Like I was there, bro. I was there for a short minute, and then the market changed and I didn't know what the heck happened. But yeah, I used to post my executions, and he just jumped in my inbox one day like, who's your broker and what do you pay for commissions? And I was like, I was with CMEG at the time, and bruh, getting destroyed. Like, dang, bro, I'm almost getting pissed off thinking about how much I was getting charged commissions at CMEG. CMEG was charging me $4 each way. Anything under 1,000 shares is $4 each way. $3.95 at execution. Bruh, you know how many green days I had? And then I went back and looked at my prop reports and I was red after commissions. Finessing, bro. Like, how you gonna take advantage of me like that, bro? Like, oh my God. It was terrible. It was a terrible experience. I wanted to trade with lower risk. I wanted to do $5 a trade risk when I was with them, but it just didn't make any sense because if I risked $5, the trade cost me 8. Bro, this was 2 years ago. The trade cost me $8. So if I risk $5 and lose, I'm down $13. And if I risk $5 and win, I was doing 2R all or nothing. So a winner would be $10. I would only make $2. So I couldn't do $5 risk and make it make sense. So I was doing $25 risk. And that was rough on your boy, man. But I worked it out, man, and I was having some great weeks. And I remember I was in this trading group and he was like, "Yeah, man, you got it." And I didn't have it, man. I did not have it. I had it for a very short period of time. But yeah, now I feel like I'm in a great place. Um, I'm very excited. I'm very excited. Yeah, bro, this was like 2022, bro. They wild for that, bro. It was terrible. And not only that, but funding the account, which I had to do very often. It was a 3-day wire from my bank. It was terrible. Now with my broker, I literally go to my Cash App, I buy some Bitcoin, I log into my member portal and set up the deposit, and it shows a QR code. I scan the QR code with my Cash App and send it. And in 20 minutes, I get an email from my broker saying, we're processing your deposit. And depending on how fast it gets on the chain, I'm ready, bro. I've had mornings where I've come in and needed to make a deposit to trade. And by the time the bell rung, I was ready to trade. So, yeah, this broker's way cooler. They got all the crypto. They take all of it. Yeah, you can wire transfer, you can use a Visa or whatever, debit, MasterCard, whatever, or you can use crypto. And they got a list, a long list of crypto. Oh, not a long list. They got BCH, Binance Pay, BTC Dash, ETH, Litecoin, USDT, XRP, and ZEC, and ADA. Minimum deposit's $50. So yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Yeah, that's weird, bro. I don't know what that's about. I hope that you can't trace anything, Trey. I don't want to get the government a damn red penny, bro. uh, not a red cent. Taxation is theft. Bruh. Gonna take my money when I make it. Take my money when I spend it. Bruh. If I buy a house, you're gonna take my money every year for me to maintain ownership. It's too much, man. It's too much. If every way you go, your money's taxed. Um, I don't know, Trey. I mean, if they're good to me and there's no like issues, I don't really see a need to I'm rooting for Trump to lower these taxes, bro. To if he can stop, he's talking about stopping income tax and using the external revenue service to make money from our imports and exports. Like, why shouldn't our country be a business that makes its own money? Like, why are we leeching off of our citizens, bro? All these smart businessmen. We finally got one who can maybe make some moves, bro. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Like ending income tax? What? uh which I mean, honestly, income tax hasn't affected me in a long time because I've been running my own business. Manifest greatness. What's up, Sly Fox? I feel that. I've definitely heard that quite a bit. And I thought about that for a while before I started this channel. But it's beauty in the struggle, man. And from what I hear from veteran traders, the struggle always there. There's always struggle. And it's beauty in that, you know. So I don't mind uh representing the struggle. You know, I think it's something we all can relate to and we all experience, you know. So I don't see it as like manifesting the struggle, like I'm always gonna be struggling. Like it's I'm embracing it and you know, growing. Yeah, I was looking at it, bro. I was fighting temptation for sure. I wanted it right here, man. But yeah, I like it. I like it, Jay. You keep talking to me like this, bro. You gonna have me long too. What do you trade, Sly Fox? How long you been at the game? Yep. Man, really? 7 years? How long you been trading just the NQ? That's considered futures, right? I've been getting a lot of people telling me to try futures. And it's like now it's like this little voice that's back here in my head. Like every now and then it's like futures. But I honestly really like the stock game. I like the game of looking for something every morning, and I don't know. It is kind of stressful too, though. 2 to 3 years. Were you trading stocks before then? I know, bro. I was thinking that too, Q. There's a lot of things I've had in life like that where it's been like a thought in my mind for a long time, and I've just like for some reason won't approach it, and then I finally approach it. Um, Boss at TA. What's TA? Blue skis, blue sky, blue ski. Hmm. So you went to futures and it was just like this is it. Multiverse in universe 78293, small cap short seller. A boss at technical analysis. That's like a firm or something. Hmm. Interesting, man. 7 years, man. I can imagine where I would be. I better not still be trading $1 risk. I really do want to go up though, just to solve my share problem, man. Ah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, I've kind of found that solution, so I'm trading a teeny tiny account. Blue sky setup. Oh, really? Hmm. Daily payouts, same day activation. Yeah, me too, Trey. That would be so cool, man. That would be so cool to have morning huddles and be all in a room together, just like getting it. Oh, dude. Yeah. I know, bro. We might have to make it happen, man. What city we gonna put our firm in, man? It's got to be one without taxes, so it's probably gonna have to be Texas or Florida. I think they just opened a Florida branch. SMB Capital or opened a Florida branch. Let's just do Florida, man. Let's do Florida. Ah, the hurricanes though, man. New York, we're gonna be bigger than SMB. That would be crazy. New York is cold though, bro. I don't want to go somewhere else that's cold. Kansas City's cold. Like, if we move, man, we'll go somewhere else. Hold on a second, yeah. I'm telling you, Trey. See, Trey know what he talking about. Trey know what he talking about. Miami, bro. It's got to be Miami. I need if I'm gonna move, it's got to be somewhere where it doesn't snow. Like I want to be able to ride a motorcycle year round. Why not just go out of the country? Puerto Rico, they got no taxes too. That's the one. 3 pony. That's hilarious. Subways. I've never gotten on the subway, man. I went to New York for one night, got to walk around Times Square and got to eat some pizza, but I didn't get to get on the subway. I see, bro. I'm happy for you, man. It ain't moved much, but my little I guess I probably would have got quite a few shares with this tight stop, but it's gonna be a long wait. It actually kind of looks like just a retracement. Just a retracement of this long leg down. May reverse though. Tesla, you still rolling on Tesla? 367.59. She looks down to me, bro. Jay, you see my trend line over here? I thought about you when I drew this thing. I actually drew a trend line intraday yesterday when I was trading whatever I was trading yesterday. It just kept on going down, though. Okay, Tesla. Yeah, I think it's gotta be Miami or Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico is a bit much because like now you walking away from everybody you know, your family, like it's too much, man. I don't want to just leave everything I've ever known, you know. We go to Miami, it's a quick flight to Kansas City, quick flight to California to see my dad, you know. Hmm. Yeah, I've been actually trying to remember, bro, that when you showed me that trend line from pre-market, bro, it blew my mind that day, bro. I've never forgotten it, but I just I haven't implemented it into my actual trading. But like, bro, even this might be a stretch, but that's the type of stuff you be showing me, Jay. Yo, Kizzy. Shoot, it almost kept working. Look at that. Damn, Jay. Bruh. Jay, stop playing. What? Yeah. Um, it started at SMCI. I actually took a great trade on SMCI, Kizzy, but I only had 2 shares because it was a really wide entry, and I did not add on these higher lows on the way up. The reason I didn't is because I had my chart squished like this, and they looked like really like it looked like a really high buy, but like when you stretch it back out, it's not a bad higher low. At least this one right here would have been a nice ad. This would have been a crazy ad. But yeah, I only had 2 shares, so I was very stingy and did not take profit. Even though this was I literally looked at the ATR and was like, oh, okay. And then said, well, so 37 could be the target. And it went to 37, it went to 36.96, and I did nothing. So, all right, Jay, thanks for hanging out, bro. Hit that like button for me. So yeah, stopped out there, small loss, and then I went to Baba and took this trade, took out 2.5 R, and then yeah, got a little addy over here thinking we're about to really go, and then something came out, some kind of data in the market or whatever. I can't remember what it was. I don't know. Some kind of data hit the market, and as you can see, the SPY dropped, everything dropped, including what I was trading. So that got me out of that position, but I only lost like 0.3 R or something on this because I had my stop at break even and just kind of slipped me down a little bit. So that was cool. Like that was actually where I needed to walk away on the day, but I ended up taking pins next. What I take on pins? Yeah, this garbage. Hoping for a recovery bounce after this big drop, and yeah, did not happen. And then POTR was like, all right, this is my last ditch effort to buy a retest after breaking high day, which is like way up, something I normally would never do. So yeah, I regret my last 2 trades. First 2 trades were good though, and I could have just ended the day on that. It would have been green. It would have been great, but more lessons to learn for Monday. It just, but yeah, as far as me trading multiple things today, I didn't. Nobody. I'm surprised nobody even brought it up. I guess y'all just used to me wilding out, but um, I was having a convo with my boy Trey, man, and kind of came to the conclusion that me limiting myself to only look at one stock, it makes me, it like puts a lot of pressure on myself in the stock to like trade something because this is my only opportunity. You know what I mean? Oh, definitely, bro. You know, Kizzy, I would have took profit 3-4 times on the way up to higher day if I had the shares. No doubt. I have no doubt in my mind. Um, yeah, I have no doubt in my mind. I would have taken shares on SMCI. I was kind of sad that Paul didn't think I would have taken shares, that I was making excuses, but I thought I've kind of made a little name for myself on my executions these last few weeks, and I love selling these tops. Like That's my favorite thing to do. But yeah, so focusing on one stock, it's just like no matter what the daily setup is, it's either going to go up, it's going to go sideways, or it's going to go down. So making myself have to sit and just look at this one thing, and it may go down right off the open and go out of play. And now I'm like, dang, the only way I can take a trade today is if I try to take a trade on this. And it's just kind of a bad setup. So what I chose to do today was to watch three things and take the best first opportunity. And that was SMCI. And after I got out of that trade, it's like, okay, what's the next best opportunity? It may be on SMCI, but it may not. The next best opportunity was on BABA. So I came over here to BABA and took got 2.5R on it. Oh, I guess I lost actually. I almost lost an R on that stop because I think I was up 2.5R. Yeah. Um, yeah, and then I got stopped out of that. So now it's like, okay, what is the next best opportunity? Instead of how can I enter this thing that I'm watching, So it worked out the first two trades, and then I kind of started tripping. But yeah, I think I've gotten to a nice place. I just have to be very careful because it's super easy to fall into old habits. Like, how many stocks? 4 today, man. But one at a time. It was all one at a time. And I think that's okay. But I also feel like 4 is a lot. Two would have been good, bro. I had 2 good trades on SMCI and BABA. And dude, you're snowboarding? Oh, that's so cool, man. I want to go snowboarding super bad. I went with my school in like 8th grade, and it was a great time. And I've been wanting to go back ever since. That's super cool, Leon. Uh, I've been thinking over a lot of different strategies to take profit where it's just like cemented, where it's not as discretionary. One thing I was thinking about was uh, selling half on my first, like, you know, good move into profits, like half at 4R. Um, have you ever skateboarded, Q? Yeah, that sounds so cool, Leon. I'd love to go snowboarding one day, man. My knees kind of jacked up now, though. That sucks. Um, it's like my take profit is like a mixture of previous highs, volume, and how many R's I got. Like, so, um, it's kind of a lot, but when I have shares to sell, it's very easy for me to sell where I need to sell. Like it's not like I don't need to pull a calculator out or anything. Like that's something that I found to be very easy is to sell in the right places. I just need the shares. I need the shares so I don't have the mental thing of wanting to hold. Oh yeah, snowboarding's gravy then, bro. It's like the most fun skateboarding. Oh, for real? Hmm. Yeah, I'd love to snowboard. Everything's moving up now. SMCI and Baba are reversing. Must be Tesla too, because Santa over here taking profits. Yo, Jay, did I get carried away with this trend line from pre-market, or is that mug the most legit? Or Jay said he left. That's right. This is crazy though. Jay showed me this one day in the Discord, man. Discord links in the description. But he had a pre-market chart and he was like, you don't draw levels? And he showed me this chart that he drew some levels from pre-market and the price literally respected it the whole day. And I was just like, what? And it's like the same thing right here on Tesla, bro. Do y'all see that? Am I tripping? Like, look at this. This high in pre-market and this little price action right here. It breaks, retests, breaks. So you could have bought that. Could have bought that. Like, yo. CDT. You could probably do another one, yo. Crazy line. Maybe. Yeah. We'll see. I'm gonna be checking it out for a minute though. We just keep increasing. What time is it? 11 o'clock. Y'all tired of me yet? Got 18 folks in here. It's a good Friday, man. I feel like if you had 10, for example. Oh yeah, bro. 10 shares would have been perfect. Yeah, bro. I almost sold at the top, but I was also kind of distracted in the moment too. But yeah, 2 shares, bro. Yeah, that's what's up, Q, man. I'm glad you guys like me. That's what's up, man. Um, it really makes me want to go up to $5 risk. Yeah, that's what's up, Leon. Um, yeah, I feel like I don't want to mess up my commitment. I know I've committed to $1 risk for the month. um, I trade stocks. Terry Thomas, what's up, man? I basically come in the morning and look for, the best thing going that day, or the best 2 or 3 things going, and I watch for a trading opportunity. But mid to large cap stocks is what I trade to the long side. Welcome to the wonderful world of trading. uh, Yo, trading is looking interesting. That's a really pretty move up and pullback right here on SMCI, I must say. Nice pullback to the level it just broke out from. This is pretty clean. Green candle on the 15, maybe starting to push back up. Did it break that high right there? 35.42, 35.44. Got a new high on the 15. Yeah, but I'm chilling though. This ain't my time of day at all. At all. New to trading, man. What's your intent, man? What do you expect from the market, Terry? Let's rap about it. It's I wish I had somebody to talk to when I was new in the market, man. I was just YouTube and Twitter. Are you day trading, swing trading, options, futures? $500 day. Let's go. Making a little pocket money. Okay. Day trading. Day trading options. Okay. Yeah, I don't know too much at all about options, but we got an options crew in the Discord, man. If you wanna come hang out, man. Come hang out and rub shoulders with the gang. Discord links in the description. Everything is free for the community. Um yeah. How long you been doing this, Terry? A year? Okay. All right. I like that. I like that you've been doing it for a year and you say you're new to trading. That's the right mentality, bro. That's where you got to be at, bro. Cuz like you're like a freshman moving to your sophomore year, you know? You got some years to go. Long on low flow small caps in pre-market, Kizzy. You pretty much exclusively do pre-market, Kizzy, or do you do some open market trades? Bruh, I don't have a single. I mean, I got bits and pieces, Leon, on options. I know they got. I know it expires. I know there's decay of some sort, whatever that means, and like theta, and I don't know, in the money and out the money, and I don't know, bro. I have zero information on how to approach an options trade. But I do know the percent gain on options plays seems to be quite ridiculous. Dang, 26 in here. Yo, hit the like for your boy. All good vibes. Zero DTE. Yeah, I be seeing that, bro. Artie be posting some pretty wild gains in the post your wins. Yeah. Yeah, it's I don't know, man. I think I want to end at 10:30, but I guess I just don't want to have like a hard line, but I really could though. It's like that time when the 5 minute becomes less valid and you need to bring in the 15. Like at that point, it's time to go. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling about it. Um, yeah, it's just the price action is just way different for me. It just the reads are way different. You gotta lean way more on the higher time frames at that point, and that's just not my strong suit. that first hour of the day, honestly, probably the first 30 minutes is really where I need to be taking my entries and taking my profits. And if I can hang out in a position until 10:30, that means it's working really well. But like taking entries, new positions at 10:30, 11 o'clock, that's really out of my zone. But I just enjoy trading so much, man. It's that part is a problem. Like just sitting here and seeing ideas and just wanting to express them, like just wanting to try it out. Like this SMCI trade that I was looking at over here. See, that joint would have failed right there. Cause it's just a different time of the day. Your stops got to be a lot wider at this time of the day. This thing is clearly downtrending though. All right, y'all. Guess I'm gonna go on and call it, man. Yeah, FOMO is terrible, bro. I realized how bad. I didn't think my FOMO was that bad, and then I like took a step back and I realized like almost all of my decisions that I was making was based on FOMO, you know, and it's tough. Yeah, you ain't lying, Leon. You ain't lying, man. Like the actual executions you take in the market have to be very specific. Like you have to have a system because just going out here expressing yourself, you're gonna be broke quick, quick, man. Um, yeah, but the ideas that I want to express are getting much more refined and less reckless. And you know, you just it's only so many times you're gonna do something and get slapped before you be like, okay, I get it. I'm not gonna do that anymore. You know? Yeah, bro. Well, you're fine. Like you don't even deserve it. Yeah. All right, Terry. Appreciate it, man. Love to have you, bro. Definitely be here Monday, God willing, at the open, trying to get it again. Um, man. All right, so we did a solid week at a dollar risk. What y'all think? You think it's crazy to go up to 5? And the only reason I want to do that literally is to make more shares, to get more shares, to kind of avoid this problem with the 2 share situation. And I think I might be disciplined enough to not blow up my account. I think I got everything in place. Maybe $3 or 2.5. Hmm. That's that's not bad. That's not a bad idea, Leon. Hmm. I don't know. That's my thought for the weekend, man. I got to figure out. Um, I guess the main reason I want to not change it is because I said I was not going to change it and I was going to do a dollar risk. But at the same time, I always want to be doing the thing that is most beneficial. And well, I would up my max loss if I upped my risk. The idea of my max loss is like 3 trades. Like after 2 stops, dang, bro, I can see Baba, bro. You could see it getting ready to pump and just giving you opportunities. Everything's pumping again, pins and Baba. Yeah, I basically want. $3 risk between 1 and 5. Yeah, that's not a bad compromise. That would give me 3 times the shares, so I would have had 6 shares on SMCI instead of 2. That's true, but if I raise my risk, I'm definitely gonna hit my broker, and I mean, I'm still gonna have my safeties, my safety switch. The problem Tuesday, I didn't have my safety switch because I had that fun Friday. All right, squad. So $3 then. Going here to my hotkey. Something's wrong with my hotkey though, because that mug was like I was pressing it and it wasn't entering. Might need to do a restart or something. All right, just like that. So I'll raise my max loss to $9. And I'll just raise it to 10. I'll raise my max loss to 10. So that's actually better because that's 3R instead of 5R. It just felt silly to tell my broker I wanted my stop to be at $3. If I mean at $3, which would have been 3R. I felt silly asking him for a $5 max loss. He literally messaged me back like, that's kind of low, isn't it? I was like, trust me, bro. Where is it? Hilarious, man. I know, right? They don't want me to be is it right? You said $5, that's very low. I was like, don't worry, man. Big commissions coming soon. Oh, for sure they do, man. That's their whole objective. I'm about to message him right now, tell him to change it to 10. All right. This is exciting. And the cool thing with this R setup right here, I'm so happy that this is possible. Now it's never the dollar amount. It's just R's. It's just risk to reward. And I can change my risk profile in the background using my hotkey, but everything I do on the platform is the same, and I there's no difference. Like I don't see the dollar difference. It's just R's. Oh, I need to change my R's. Uh, it's gonna mess up today, but trading settings. A P&L display risk scale, $3. Hey, look at that. Now we're only down 0.7R. That's funny. All right, so we're all set. Got my $10 max loss set on the platform. $3. Take a new trade. Nah, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. You know I'm weak. I'm weak, Leon. You can't be saying stuff like that. um, yeah. So next week, $3 risk, $10 max loss, and I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna watch up to 3, but only trading one at a time. And I think I'm still trying to stop at 10:30, like ish. You know, like I like the alarm to tell me, okay, we're getting to that part of the day that you should consider stepping back. You know what I mean? So the new adjustments: Q, $3 risk, $10 max loss, everything the same. Still one ticker at a time. Yeah, so I guess there is some differences. Let's all right. Making a couple adjustments. So $3 risk, $10 max loss, one ticker at a time. Yo, Pine Tree. What's up, man? I'm still here, man. And I think I'm better than ever, man. It's not a great day today, but I actually took some good trades today, man. I had a really nice trade on SMCI, but I only had 2 shares and I couldn't take profit. So it just kind of messed me up. That's kind of what we'll be sitting here talking about, is raising my risk just so that I can get more shares and trade the way that I intend to trade, trade the way my strategy is set up to trade. So yeah, I had a good trade on SMCI and then a nice little one on BABA, but yeah, still managed the risk pretty well. Very small red day, but man, it's going really well though, man. I've made some super exciting adjustments, and my R's that I've been getting from my trades has like risen a lot. Like a home run trade before was 3 to 4 R, and now a home run trade is 10 to 15 R, which is like pretty crazy. So now I'm just super focused on just trading my setup and not trading everything else. Like the not trading everything else part is the main focus, and increasing my accuracy, man. But it's going well, man. It's going well. I'm getting excited. Yeah, but next week should be cool, man. I'm very excited. I'm trying to spend some time over the weekend in the replay sim, and I really need to tag my journals. I haven't tagged January yet, and I'm already a week into February. I guess at least I can tag up February and just kind of start a new habit. Yeah. Yeah. Yep, 100%. 100%. Wow, man. Yeah, man. This is such a nice place to be in the journey, man. I was looking at my journal earlier, man, and was thinking about how my May of last year was such a sad time in the journey, man. It was just like I couldn't do anything right, man, and I was just throwing so much money out of the window. And it's not even my worst month, but um to now, you know, like losing $607 a month regularly, to losing 55, 37, and 94 was kind of high last month, but I feel like I'm turning the corner, man. I feel like I'm turning the corner. Just got to keep steady, man. Yeah, I stay in trouble, Pine Tree. I've been getting a lot better at that though, man. That's what's exciting is that I'm seeing myself not make the mistakes that I could not stop myself from making previously, you know. Man, I was watching some X Games stuff over the last week on snowboarding, Leon. I seen this dude do I think it was a triple front. It was pretty wild, man. Yeah. And it was like he was so close to the ground, his board touched the ground as he was flipping over. Like it was crazy. 3.5 years to be profitable, man. I love that story, bro. I am on my 5th year. Well, I started in 2020, March of 2020, and I took off 2023. So, yeah, my 4th year, I guess, 4 years. Um, but I believe it, man. I believe it more than ever. There was definitely a time where it was like, man, I don't know if it's gonna be worth me trying to keep doing this. I'm not seeing the results. Like, man, trading badly on Friday and going out into the weekend feeling hopeless is really sucky. It's really sucky, man. To feel like you're gonna come in Monday and you have no idea like what's going on. Like you don't know what's wrong, you don't know what you need to change. You just like you suck. To now it's like I know exactly what I want to do. I'm really excited to come in Monday and implement this. It's been working out last week, just making little fine-tuned changes. My R's have gone from 3 to 4 R home runs to 10 to 15 R home runs, you know, and I'm keeping my red days super small. I'm trying to keep them super small this month. And I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Like I can feel it. I'm about to grab profitability. Like it's right here, man. Just got to stay the course, be patient, and follow the plan, man. Follow the plan. Yeah, man. We almost there, bro. I can taste it. We almost there. Yeah, I just hope that I don't have to go back down to a dollar risk after next week. That's I would love to see a positive reinforcement. It's funny, man. All the good changes that I've made to my strategy, it seems like it always is followed by positive reinforcement. You know, my first day back at large caps was great. You know, is that right? What's up, Brazil? Braz. I don't know. Is that a J? Braz. What up, B? Yeah, my definitely my issue is I'm losing too much. So I feel that. Man, see, this is what both of you guys, I was just saying earlier how often people have been telling me to try futures. uh, that's a trip. You traded stocks before, Pine Tree? Hmm. Yeah, I'm definitely too close to make the switch now. I don't want to change anything major. We almost there, man. Man, my RR is like gotten super simple, man. I don't even need to uh use my calculator anymore. I used to be calculating every time I took a position. I would have my calculator out, calculating how many shares to take to maintain my risk. But DOS came in and changed my life, bro. I literally just double click where I want to put my stop loss. It loads the price into here, and then I hit my hotkey, and it takes that price, and it takes where the entry is right now, and my risk profile, and calculates how many shares I need to maintain that risk, all in the click of a button. So yeah, the risk part is super locked. I just have to stay out of the bad trades and only take the good trades, and then I can handle the win to loss ratio of that. Traded options for 3 years. I think I would kill day trading, Pine Tree. I I mean not day trading, swing trading. I think I would, cuz it's like the same thing but way slower, way more time to make decisions. It almost seems too easy. You talking about for my calculating my share size, Leon? This tool. This tool. Nah, but with DOS you can write scripts. And so I found a script. I think either Q or Trey brought me this script. Um, but yeah, so stop price equals price. And so that's it taking the price from this box, right? And then define share size. So this is the formula that calculates how many shares I need. And so it takes your buying power into account, which is helpful. Um, and then your entry price, and then your risk profile, which is this. So whatever number I put in here is going to be my risk that it uses to calculate my share size. Yeah, the good looking out, Trey. Changed my whole game up, Trey. Like, bro, thank you so much, man. Like, literally changed my whole game up, bro. But yeah, it's a script. I mean, they're out there. There's a YouTube video that has like 3 of these, and he talks about what it does and all of that. But I mean, I'll drop them in the Discord or whatever, and it's not nothing proprietary or anything. But yeah, it's just a script, and it completely, like, literally, I used to be like, all right, my stop is here, my entry's there. That's a 55 cent. 55 cent divided by $3 risk equals, you know what I mean? And then I'd be like, okay, let me put my shit, and I would have to do this all before the candle closed. It was just like, it was mad stressful, yo. Mad stressful. Yeah, bro. It changed the game for me, man. I knew my entry game was trash. I just didn't know what to do about it. And yeah, bro. Changed my life, man. Thank you so much. Oh man, I would be stressed out, and sometimes I would just hit the button like, forget it. I'm just gonna get this many shares because I don't want to miss the position. I've come a long way, man. I've come a long way from straight rookie. Like, I feel like I've grown so much in this last trading year. Like, almost feels like the years before don't even count. Like, this year was my first real year of really grinding at this. Bro, because I had to go fast, bro. I'd be trying to get in before I get left. It's bananas how fast it is now. I don't know why this thing's been stuttering. I think I might need a restart or something, because I had to hit my hotkey like 3 or 4 times to get it to go. Might have too many things reading inputs or something. All right, for real though, I gotta go. What time is it? 11:42. I'm having a great time hanging out though. Yeah, one misclick, your whole number's off. Yeah, it was stressful, bro. Absolutely, man. Um, all right, we got our game plan for Monday. I think I'm gonna try to do a review video on this day and then get a weekly review over the weekend and coming in ready, man. We gotta be. I don't think I'll be thinking about the risk, but you know, we're going up to $5 risk. But it's the same process, man. Same process. So there's nothing to feel weird about. I'm just gonna come in, got the R's right here. Know what we're looking for. Just gotta do it. Just gotta do it, man. This is such like a performance, man. It's such a performance. And hey, good work, Alex. Um, yeah, it's like it's showtime. Like when the bell goes, uh, I appreciate it, Pine Tree. I appreciate it, man. I had to link you up anyway, bro, just so we can be connected, man. I'm sure you're on X. I'll try to link up with you on X, man. I'm at Struggle Trades on X. Um, yeah, man. It's such a good vibe though. This journey has been great, and the YouTube channel, like trading with you guys, has made it way more fun. And not only that, bro, like I've literally gotten better. Like Trey giving me the hotkey and um getting me to trade like look for low of day when I was doing the small caps. Like that time spent doing that helped me understand pullbacks way better. I think it really watching pullbacks every day, looking for low of day, it changed something, man. It helped me grow. It helped me see price action in a better way. And yeah, man. Now I'm here. I feel like I found my sweet spot with the mid to large cap trading. My tight entries, nice risk to reward. I think now I'm waiting for a 5-minute setup to trigger, and then I'm going into the one to look for a tight entry, a nice risk to reward entry. Man, that's what's up, Q. I appreciate it, man. All right, good looking out, Pine Tree. I'm gonna check you out after the stream. All right, I know I've been leaving for like 30 minutes now. It is a lonely journey, Q. That's what I'm saying. Let's get together, y'all. Let's get together as a community. This is be our own pod, and we share ideas. We help each other grow. That's the way, man. Doing it by yourself is not the way. It's not the way, man. But oh snap, I'm in Kansas City too, bro. Go Chiefs. Don't be mad. Don't be mad because we got the referees on our team, bro. Y'all could have got the referees on y'all team, but y'all didn't want them, so we got them over here on our team, okay? Don't be mad. You did, bro. Q, man. Bro, you helped me with hella things, bro. The sale, man. I'm glad to have you, Leon. Kizzy Bop, you already know, gang, gang. No, bro, I'll never forget the day, Q, you told me to just sell one. Just sell one. Three-peat this weekend, you already know, Trey. Changed my whole game, man. Yeah, man. I got a squad here, bro. You guys have been imperative, man. I appreciate you guys so much. I really like to get to 1,000 subscribers though. It's just like it's like legitimacy. Like, okay, you're a legitimate YouTuber now. You know, I'd love to get that 1,000 1,000 subscribers, man. So if you guys aren't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It's all good vibes. It's no scams. I'm using real money. I have a small account. You know, it's real, and I'm trying really hard. But yeah, man, we gonna get there, bro. I can feel it, man. I'm inching our way closer to profitability, and then we gonna turn up, bro. We gonna turn up, man. I can't wait, bro. I'm so excited for the channel. I'm excited for my life and my family. I'll think about that when I get 25K, bro. I got a baby account, man, so offshore is the way to go for me, man. Um, I'd have to argue with you on that one, Dirk. The price action to me on mid to large caps is way more easy to read. Um, who was I rocking with during the beef? um, okay, so musically, I like Drake more than Kendrick. Just like as far as like relatable vibes, like Kendrick's a great rapper, but it's just kind of too abstract for me and not relatable. You know what I mean? Um, so yeah, I'm definitely more of a Drake fan than uh, a Kendrick fan, but Drake then got hella weird to me, bro. The rainbow hair barrettes and the fingernails, like, and honestly, I ain't really liked Drake's music in a long time, either. So you know, I don't know, man. I don't know. Drake's music's more relatable, but he's kind of gone a little too far out there for me, man. But Kendrick clearly won the beef. Clearly. Clearly. Yeah, bro. Drake lost his damn mind, bro. That Drake, that Take Care Drake and them first two albums, bro. The third album was cool too, but after that, bro, it was just like the forced hate. G and X. No, Gen X. That's so funny when y'all type acronyms that aren't for me. Yeah, I think it's just it's hard for hip hop to embrace Drake because Drake's the it's the soft side, you know, in touch with your emotions, relationships. You know, hip hop is about aggression and taking your girl and you know getting money and all of that. So Drake comes singing about real stuff that we can all relate to. It just feels kind of soft. So the hate has to come. Yeah. Oh, for sure. They definitely hate that. Oh, GNX the Kendrick album. That's hilarious. Uh CDT. Let's check you out. Yeah, but this is like super choppy looking, bro. Like this thing don't clean up till like 11 o'clock, and I'm done by then. It the Small caps is just a different approach, man. Twice off 240. No, I get it, bro. I was trading small caps like 2 weeks ago, man. And it's just the way I trade, bro. I think these are the mid caps and the large caps are just it's real it's real bullishness. It's not like scammy beefing via songs. That's hilarious, Leon. Yeah, Drake was definitely like kicking it out, and Kendrick was real slow to respond. But when he did, oh man, it was all bad. Nah, but I've taken some. Let me show you a few small cappers that I've had a good time with. Uh, what's some good ones that I've had recently? You know what? Let's make it easy. Was VIAV a small cap? No. RGTI, is that a small cap? NVNI, that's definitely a small cap, right? Family Matters, where is this convo going? Bro, I grew up on Family Matters. Q, what you know about Family Matters, bro? That's before your time, young man. NVNI, is NVNI a small cap? Oh, what about NVNI? Was this a small cap? Okay. Yeah, check me out, Dirk. I mess with the small caps. It's just the price action is too erratic to me, man. And I don't like fighting with, bro, TGIF, Pine Tree. Come on, bro. I love TGIF. Oh, okay, my bad, Q. That's what I was thinking, like, you don't know nothing about Family Matters, Q. Y'all don't know nothing, bruh. It's Friday night, and the mood is right. Gonna have some fun, show you how it's done, TGIF. Boy, y'all don't know nothing about that. Yo. Oh man. Hey man, hit the like button for me, y'all. I'm getting out of here. You watched it too? Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Man, we had a really good time today. 356 views on the live today. That's crazy. I gotta start staying on a little later. I think that's where the sauce is at. Has some cool convos in here, man. All right, for real though. I'm getting out of here, man. I gotta go. Having a great time with you guys though. What you talking about, Willis? 30 cents stop and threes. Oh yeah, that's gravy, bro. That's the same time I'm on too, Dirk. That's the same time I'm on too, man. Just come back, bro. You know, I'm doing that. We working it out. But yeah, man, y'all be safe out here in the world. Be safe in the market. Have a great weekend. Is this Super Bowl weekend? Already? Chiefs for the three-peat, baby. Yeah, man. Have a great weekend, man. Let's come back strong. Let's come back disciplined, patient, focused, and let's have the freaking best trading week of our lives. All right, y'all. I'm outie. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Yo, share this channel if y'all know some traders who would be like good additions to our community, man. Please, I'd love to get us over 1,000, man. Let's get that legitimacy. You know, we a real community over here, man. All right, y'all. I'm out. Peace.